abi ene me twa eshe Abola jase ipamon jase le gbeji ni adese akọ ni die dwe e ma wo e ka wo ni bi esu wo jian yin e ba wie na ta fetu abi abutu na me kan man bi eni wo se wo fetu yan ni jase kekle no fe no mie usumbo le to fa wo ba che wo dans c'était chief fisherman ni je abo che ko ada ni je enumo ne to asile gbe mi tumo na wo abo
to manyaba ya wo fe won gbe to manyaba se me genye me na wo ba je wo
yo nga se
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and good morning to the media fraternity. Thank you for your presence this morning. I would like to give you the brief history of Abola, that is Nunuwe, of which the chief is a dynasty. The house is a dynasty for Abola traditional area. The origin of the Ni Ahene Nansedu Nunu stood is studied in traditional history, but from the mass of available evidence, both oral and written, it is clearly established that three brothers, Ni Ahene Nansedu, Ninunu, and Ashifi, together with their four sisters, were people that arrived in Gan State, namely Amankwanwa, Abekan, Mansa, and Gluwa, migrated from their ancestral home, Abura, occupied Abola, Edina, and settled with the Gans in about the 18th century. They were accompanied by a large retinue of position of a pertinent demanded. Ni Ahene Nansedu was given a piece of land by the paramount school of the Gans and built a dwelling place at the present site, known as Abola Batashi or Quarters. As an astute businessman, Ni Ahene Nansedu is cooperated with his brother, Ninunu, did a flourishing trade mostly in fishing and weathered consistently influence in the community in which they lived. Ni Ahene activities were further extended by taking an active part in every leading role which had the interest of the Gan State in general. His sterling qualities and devotion to duty earned him the enviable position of Atofuche, or backbone of the paramount caste. In this capacity, he became the custodian of the king's armory and of the treasury and distributed gunpowder, rational, etc., to the army in time of war. Ni Ahene was in fact a general of the Gan State. On the minds of Ni Ahene Nunu, he was ultimately succeeded by his brother Ninunu, who had the longer reign as Abola Mantse. Ninunu, by this power and leadership, occupied with sense of unity, duty, raised the standard of the Abola school to a higher staff as officiary until his death. Ninunu was succeeded by Ni Anu Nunu, son of the late Ni Asiedu, who reigned during the period of kingship of Ni Taki Tayua and Ni Taki Obri. Ni Anu was out of office for a short spell following the dismissal of the Ni Taki Obri, but was subsequently recalled. He was on the stool as Ahene monastery when he died in the about 1921. He was buried in his private house at Aboboshi near the railway terminal in Accra. Further, it has become necessary for the Abola Jase Council to come out this time to make known to everybody that Ni Ahene Nunu was the 12 chiefs of Abola traditional era as a paramount. The Akwacha way, stroke Otuadan way, that is called not known in traditional circle of the Gan State. And they have no royals. They have no royals except as a Afacheme given to them by the late Taki Obri. The people of Akwacha family, they were slaves which they served under the Taki Obri and Nansedu, and were brought from Ayigbe in Angwan after the 1826 war. They were brought from Ayigbe in Angwan war after 1826 war. Yeah. They served under the late Taki Obri and Nancy. During that time, later of that time, they got married and the name was given to them Nunu. Yeah. So they have no right. They have no right as a chieftaincy in their custodians. Yeah. The name Nunu was given to them during childbirth. So they have no any lineage to the throne of Abola traditional chieftaincy. We would like to set the record straight that while the installation of a chief of Abola chief by the said Mangona family, of which they have no lineage, and we would like to know whether they have any chief during that time. Now, if that, they should tender an evidence that shows that they occupied the throne. Yeah. The current occupant was Ni Ahele Nunu, who is the 12th chief of Abola traditional era. Yeah. Was rightfully gazetted a member of the Ghana Traditional Council, of which is a member and Atofuche, the Ghana Mantse. Yeah. The current claimant, Akwachewe, as they have no Abola, they have no place in Abola royal family. Yeah. It is rather the residence of Adako Nunu, after being married to Reverend Solomon of Methodist Church, that earned them that Nunu that they are called. Now, by the authority vested in the office and on behalf of the entire Abola Traditional Council, we made this definite declaration to refute any falsehood that affirm that we are unequivocally stated for the public record. Yeah. The only legitimate customarily installed and gazetted paramount chief of Abola, he also known the Atofuche of the Ghana state, who is Ni Ahele Nunu, the 12th of Abola Traditional Council, Abola Traditional Era, sorry. He is alive, in sound health, and actively discharged his sacred duties from the Abola Royal Palace. Yeah. The Abola Traditional Council is in perfect harmony with the Ghana Traditional Council. Remain unsoluble, united behind our legitimate chief. Our focus is on progressive development of divine force. Under the active leadership of Ni Ahele Nunu III, we are pioneering initiative in youth employment, responsible investment, and community welfare development. Yeah. We call on the media and the public to disregard the malicious rumors that new Abola Mantse has been installed. Yeah. The Abola Street is occupied, vibrant, and focused on the humorous manner. The Abola Street is occupied, vibrant, focused on the future development. Yeah. This is from Abola Traditional Era. Further, we wanted to know whether they belong to this clan, the Akwachewe, whether they have the right to occupy the state, the seat. Now, on that merit, they have taken us to various courts in Kumasi, of which we have mourned of their late so-called Mantse. We won them on 3 occasions from Kumasi, later on the appeal at Kumasi, and later also we came to Accra where we defeated them down without any response. We have the court issues, the court rulings, of which we intended as an evidence for everybody to know that we, the Abola Mantse, has the right to occupy the various occupants in this state. Furthermore, we wanted to know from them that we gave them the name Nunu after the childbirth of which their great-grandfather was serving as a slave under the Taki Obri. They have no right to occupy any seat in Ghana, in Abola traditional area. They have no lineage, they have no problem. So we call on the media and the general public to let everybody know that they have no right to install any chief in Abola contest. Thank you very much.
Ni tafla chen la ke mo kwete school wa ke ba fe ni alo mo kele fe do kwele mu sane akunta ke ha le denche ya chigaji na kamonye bu akunta imene egmehi ni me elakale ni ameke ametola Abola Mantse wo hu ake Abola bi ojogban won wo fe ready ni wo mele ke nakan ojo tralo eni nyese ni mene ameke amewole Abola Mantse wo mame enyo no ni penita o make na kan me ni fe na kan ni ehun ji ake isani bene na me mame hianshi eji ake manjalo eji ame manjalo ojogban ji ame amebedu chumo ndo ameke Mantse yeli Mantse wo mo ke ni bi efe amenu chumo no nita wo ni maka me jake moni ke ja se cheni ni le mene do moshi ni le ke to Mantse e ba chon wo shi an ejemi ke emoni eye ja se che Abola dan ni no wo mene le ba ke ja se cheni do wo le e to Mantse Abola taflache wo fe ni wo yen wo le aka Abola wo da kun ya Abola ni Abola ni ko kura be na cho le da kun wo ba so ni ba cho wo shishi tuwe we kunu pa ke cheme ni nyese una me fe wo ba so na me ba cho wo ame shishi ndoko alo ame ni ko neji Abola Mantse ojugba adan keji le ke leji otu adan di third na moji otu adan di first ni na moji the second money inse na ne twese le hu ke otu adan di third wo ke twese meni o mesa me fo ame ko ame ka me wo otu adan di third wo ba gba me fai ame ya na me ya kase Mantse yeli na me ya kase ni ojugba ko na me bai ko no na me fe ele shomo ko ame so edu no wo ba bi amake taflache wo le ake fante meji wo je fante ni wo ba ni wo me ni wo je fante ni wo ba be mi ni wo ba wo ke semba ke aledo ye je be na mo ameje na me ba me ke semba ame hani wo le no hu eja ke wo le me ni ji ame pote Abola wo ama me gbe na me yen ni be mi wo taflache no ni yo na mi yu mi lage to boyoji mi wo che kakra kokra agbe yi wo no fe no ko ni boko ba wi ma jele na no fe no ko ni boko ba wi ma hale we ja ke wo che me ke wo ni me ka me heba fun she ha Abola juba na metu Abola ni mi ni itashi ne inyeja Abola ncheja Abola wo mo kwe chon mi Abola ni mo kwe fe mi Abola ni no wo le mo na wo le taflache kake awo the paramount chief of Abola sen wulu Mantse awo le tu ngejinuma na jole mlekome never una ko wo musu e wo le de che ni awo le ni ka wo le lo mo ni telele ni le de che ejumo te isani agbe na wo taflache keji ake abawo Abola Mantse sen wulu Abola Mantse ani shine yo Abola abo amamanie alo Abola Mantse ne ke ba ye ngamuna alo ba ye Abola na mo no le ile ni ba ye na mo no ele ni ba ye jake taflache kaka ba tobo Mantse ala ba tobo gbogbo aye me ni abo amanie ni wo kele ke me na Abola Mantse ni wo le ake government officials come hoese na me fi ono na me fi onu wona wonu e wa ke wo amemba amba jele wo ke loko ti wo ya Abola wo ka me liake hinji amojugba na amemi wo jugba wo ba ma be ya Abola na me ba e ja ka Abola wo no wo fe ni wo ta shi e sha fe shi ani wo le ke ya Abola wo boti o me yi wo le we ba ti wo sham de ba yen boti wo no ni pedi wo ko tete ya ke mo fe mo ni ba nu ne ke adafi to ane ake awa Abola Mantse kokru we ebemi wo ye wo Abola Mantse ni Abola Mantse abun yeli eje emene Abola Mantse ni wo yo le tashi eleji the 12 Abola Mantse ni enime is kanswai ke echeme eba yi ne hu da ne she no wo ke moko ke le hu mene eba ni Abola Mantse wo ke no ko chimboni poje shishie le bo egeti wo ke le fi la ke nu wo ba je ba twa ne wo eba ni eba twa ne keta wo fe ready wo mele ga ke Abola bi ye demi yu Abola bi na igbe me yu mi e nke Abola bi ye wo ye sabranko ni wo palio ike wo pali e wo keke wo ye tempo wo ba ya wo ifa wo be mo woke ye na me ba san ye be ko e wo ba ma me ame ihu ha ba nye ba wo ba ma me amra lo ba nye fuese na ekela ba hu wo ba ma e ja ke amra lo wo ye dani ba wo ka amra lo ba wo go mogwe ha wo le hu wo mele ame fa me ba wo gbedi wo ma me shimoni kele Abola Mantse no ni to ma kele pe ja ke lomo ke nibi ni awu atelele e bo mo den ni e ya dan yi kenkle dan that is efesan e ja ke wo ni water hie wo we ni ke wo we e wo no ni wo call le ja ke wo mbele wa e ja ke mene won e he wo la tenu tu mo ke ya ilele ke ya ke lele e ba de sha ko si e ba de sha ko si e ke ya ilele ke ya ba ha bola wo le Abola de je leje ni Abola wo le Eliamebo na Abola insho na de je eleje lo wo mele be ke e ya ko wa o de akulo ṣùgbọ́n ní èlé ní ká kó wá kó ní àkó ní ìgẹ́fẹ́ náà ní ìsúnmọ́ máa bí ẹ̀wọ̀n àmọ́ àmì mẹ̀lẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ní bẹ́wọ̀ kọ́ ọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ akẹ́ wọ̀yà Abola wọ̀yọ̀ ní Abola fún ọ̀yẹ̀ ní Abola wọ̀dà yìí lọ́wọ́ kẹ́ ìgẹ́ èèbà ní ibà yà Abola Mantse wọ́wọ́ kẹ́ korogo ṣìwọ́ mẹ̀lẹ̀ ní ibà ní ìwà dùn.
Kenya baanu egbe ni ni abi osukun la ni enu gan fe wo la che boni brofo ba ke chief fisherman of the Ghana state you money you na bi no ji ni fahini ye Abola ke ma fa be ami fi o je no point fi again wi ego shima wi ego mi de o ma wi ego ake nje Abola acho wo shan ke Abola one be proper she got the fante your movie ni wo je when pre aqua when proper your fante me be wa pele mi e fonu ye gambie wo ke wo ba be mi e fonu wo ye Abola mi ni ojuba e ba fe mi again me na ji bi ete what they was say ye any wo Abola bi ni wo je ye fante abra ele what wa Tracy he ni wo je ni wo ya je no what they won't come here jeme wo ya je me no wonu ya ke o ni wo fan gbe wo se ato Abola Mantse ni wo fe wo de onika ato Mantse eyo ni mo ni ntachi na ato mi en yo chi etu afon pure water ake jama wo ji je mi se nje mi ni na ba to mi won jadan ka pa Abola sian fe sian ke sian ko ya Abola ne ka ba ha ko le dan o sun won ni kan ju asa eji ko ni ba ju ake na ba to mi aha le dan ajadan ke pa kan ku che fe awo mo fi amotu na to mi na fe nkusun mi ni ojugba na je mi ojugba e fe ye o dasi ni ya fie je gben fe deba ni gan tete ke tete fe ba ye o dasi ene fe fiomi ga fe wulache na za ba shami I introduce me get the Ghana Traditional Council it was get Ghana Traditional Council e yon you that's it ni ameke mi tru ni ake Ghana fe wulache onupa yo no ne woni ma wie mene ne e ba fe me ke wonye mi nu na wo le ake yi e loko nu mete onu ni atole ewie mo mi ewie ba wie a hun ke ton wo ya gbefangbe ni wo le ba ha melele na na forest bi ele nche ko mi na nche ti eta ni wo mba wo chi ai ke o ba ko enmene ji gbe tene wo ke honorable Ashikote ke Gamada executive onupa director ni ji Dr. Dot e ke korora bi ko mi ba ni wo nko ni wo chaki wo chi lele ye nu em oni ne ke fiberglass boat ni wona bona fe ni che ni lon wo save am ye ko em shi mo wonye mi nu etenu e ke ba ko de kelele aba ni toni ele nche ni ji adba moto e government e han wo le ma toni wo ke government e hun mi ni tuni oduba ya ji nke ni bi fe be ni tun agegbeja no to ni yo wo ya ye mi tuni as wo la che mi ni oduba ni ga tete fe ele ko isusu moji ni ba mo we ele boni show na fe ke ha ju e ke ni bi ni mi ni ka se je mi ya chi oju e ko oje chi wole na agba ni ke ju e ba akeke jodo ni ke wo e ya show mi ni show na me ke mi dia fo e ba yo da se me ni yo bi am na mi ko gross nko in organize o me ke all foundation bi am ba nature bi me what you cleaning, no tomorrow, any what you, one half any was sure now. If they fall, she like any natural neck at Tony, can be natural, and then I can go to a new tomorrow. When you okay, by your cost on Sunday. None ya government has them in Pocota, Capologa fish and Moyona. When you mean what you know, I can't care about if I feel not feel costo. Why a costo agbo? Ya Jamestown fishy abo. Yeah, Gina can when I would get. You were fair when I get Jamestown fishy abo. Yeah, Jamestown. Peggy, Amenom. A branch on I again. I send it on I again. I fish on I again. Or the game were it when they fair. What time they feel the machine shone. She can't fair about no one like a free market Jamestown fishy abo. I can bear no minute. I can go. Costo na fair again. Nika fishing trollers pocket. No embalming poor, any year. You were artisanal fishermen for coming and lumber poor. I can tell you what any year. Why a cost? You are mean a coke costo. No name you in short now, would you again? Or come boy, but mainly legacy to my neighbor. They feel like a government appointee, a government term. They standing for a communication local officer. One more connect about what. It's any Abola. A bad in a member, maybe I can what? I mean, what I'm in Latin. I mean, what I'm in Nili. I mean, what I'm in Drum. I'm a Pele. I'm a bomb, a Sumonachi. I'm a back. I'm in Waga. I'm in Waga, Ojuba. Nika Canili, Abaka, one more name. Why am I by you? I'm a poor Sumo. Oh, call Philaco, a government tell me. No talk about what when you manche mass and look about fee. A president tell where you are money your gazette, a low money here will you like and tuning a low leg about for night. The one you mean Maba. Maba. Mama Bulu are caught in a can. How would you call your shika? No, about no quack of blood. Oh, Bulu are caught. Not about any yoy. Make gabo no na fable. I can back about any yoy. Bola John na yemo ofogba mi no wiake aliake takanye yen yen banya batwata so aliake ba batwata e no ba wo konson ye je mi nke je manche no le lake ni a ene nunu ni je ten manche no lie je le po ken bo ke batwa me ya bola mi no ken bo ke batwa ni e no ba wo konson ye je me mi nke je wi ake yo manche ke wi che ma ke yo manche ku Nicholas Aduma kununu eye manche ni me for le chema ke na neshala ni adwuma nkunu alegbe ni ncho na neshala ni adwuma nkunu ni ji believer etichi esa mini wiche me to wiche me baba o ke ko odoko eto wiche me baba o ni ji ke wiche me alo wi ko ake yo manche ko believer ni believer tichi esa febu she believer po eye manche na ka jo na egbonwe ake abafule manche fue wo fe wo le ke manche gbo ka ba tole atole ye shin atole ye pali ti mo je so motumi ni e kan si an jembi fe ni mene ni mokona le neje ni aba bi keke mini aba fe ya la ejen ke manche jibo e no yo lu mo ye jempoten aba fe o mi pa fai mi ka am na lo fu ye wonye mi nu e ka eba aka e NDC wo ke ba fe policy won kele wa mo la BFN woteshi ni wo penele ni wo men na kan gbe wo penele mi kele ka ene ba wo konson ye je ke wi che ma ga yo manche ku Nicholas Aduma ku na nechala manche ye manche ye won qualify ke yen no ko akọ bla nu e bo modern ne ka fe nu ko an ne twa no manya ba.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the Inky fraternity. My name is Ni Ayi Anakunte Abola Piam Tumawe Jaseche. I'm a born blood indigenous royal from Abola Patashi. I wish to reiterate today that what recently went on just 3 days ago is really an eyesore. I crave on the intelligence we have in this country. And I speak directly to His Excellency the President. I wish to state that some persons, I'm taking this opportunity to report officially to His Excellency, some persons in the capacity of which we do not know, claiming to be royals of Abola, we probe and put to His Excellency that we are calling on the BNI, the National Security, the Inspector General of Police to please investigate these personalities, these cohorts who have been a thorn in the flesh of the Ghana state. They belong to the family called the Mangona family, which is my paternal grandmother's house, the house known to us as the Solomon's and Ado's house, which if they have branded it as the Nunu's house, it does not belong to them. They are not royals of Abola. And I want to state that, Your Excellency, they are taking you for granted. Mr. President, John Dramani Mahama, please, with all due respect, I crave your indulgence at this particular time to call your people to order, all the security agencies to arrest and investigate, probe the lineage of those who came out just on Saturday, parading themselves as Abola Group. These people are not royals of Abola. It is an opportunity for me, in as much as they continue to meddle into chieftaincy issues in Accra, they would like to soil the image of your party. The NDC, as a party, has a credibility to protect. The government with which we are now has an integrity, Mr. President. I salute you, to protect. Don't allow these riffraffs. Don't allow these elements. Don't allow these charlatans to go about parading themselves to soil your image. You have lived to the credibility of our nation. You were recently awarded and applauded at the International United Nations Conference. Why would you allow such elements to damage your name? I crave your indulgence. As I speak to you, I'm a practicing journalist for the past 27 years. Radio, TV, newspaper, and what have you. We were the first group of online reporters to start online in Ghana, from TXT Ghana to Infobox. I must say, on authority, that I was the first reporter to that institution. I would like to call on Mr. President. You've been a communicator. As I speak, there is no paper before me. That is the kind of training we had. That is what the president is made of. I'm really proud of you. And I would like you to call on the security agencies, especially the Inspector General of Police, to immediately arrest these perpetrators, led by your agent who claims to work with you. He's coming to use your office to soil the image and hard integrity you've earned from the Ghana people. As I speak, Mr. President, I bow my head in shame for such a family. But I must be proud to say, I know what you can do. We give you a period of a very short time, and we expect your integrity to be displayed. We, the Ghana people, are fed up with this kind of atrocities. Soiling of our image, our dignity, unlawful selling of land indiscriminately. These are the elements. And he was so proud enough to pronounce that in his utterances, in his statement, that he's going to fight over lands. If you have a good job, you can choose between your chieftaincy and the president's job that he has given you. I want to state on authority that I'm aware that he's an official of the NDC. I'm aware that he's an official of the president's office in the regional units. Please, Mr. President, in as much as I continue to salute you, this is the time. Prove to us, the Gans, that you are really a man of integrity. Thank you very much, and I rest my case.
Agago. Yo. Ongam mo fia mo lebine. Ni money you acho mi nukujo kan. Ngba ji achampo. Njabo la piam. Piam ke pata she akomini. Ni wo fe gba me ko meji wo ya Abola. Loko fi o gbana. Keje be san ne ka ba wi aka Abola. Ka wi aka Abola. Ka wi aka Abola. Ta fa ti wo pe ti gbeme ni yo gan na cho wa Abola lo. Keja fe ni na a che gba aka Abola bi. Emi bi ake no Abola bi ta fa che bo na chi wo ta na cho wo gbe. Ni a fe ne sa na afio. Keja ma che ilimi. Keja no mo me keja so tuon. A fe li bi ne sa. Ni won ko bo ni ba fe ne ke tunjo la bagan. Mi pa fire gan. Wọ́n ta tunjo le gan. Wọ́n che wọ́n ko bo ni gan ya bia ni. Aba na ate. Ni ashi wo me ni. Ani wọ́n no fio ne kanu aba wo se. Germany hey, she will be kuma ino wo se. Kaya gan asa gan. Aye man asa man. E shena to shena taye wọ́n che wo kwe. Believer ba. Wọ́n wo tra shire no. Nungbo do mo na nungbo chele nungbo jo na le ni yo. Okaji lala nyi tawo. Le ko me fe mo aba. Ni aya hie je ke shata na yo ne ko me fe mo ba. Shimje chenye ko agbanye je ni believer agbede na ko 1 year. Na agbe na je. Keno na fio. Afu le manche. O si ano ni believer je. Negbo na afu le manche. Je me no ato manche ko yelo. Ani won sani no won fiteni. Won pa fine. Be ma ko won no. Sibia no won pa no mo. Ya ke won da. Nya pa Abola gbe eche mo ko. Nya pa Abola gbe eche mo. Je wo pe ti gbeme ni yogan na cho wa Abola bi. Lega ni se pe awe de ke sanene. Ni afeni nehi. Ne basamo na bon le jemu. Abola bi no bon le jemu. Shino na etu le pe che hia. Etu wan sempe. She etu wan gan ni gan ya yin. Je gan fomo po ji sempe. Sempe gan ke mo fia mo. Aka sempe be gan yem. Wo fe din wo wi. She na meche mba ni ma wi achakomi shi ba. Nya wo ko ojogba. Aka wo ko ojogba. Wo tra she mepele wo be ni wo chika be ni wo tomo mo. Wo fo eka oba koru wo ko hun. Wo cho ma mi. Wo kwa ko kaso wa wo tu mi lo. Ma che no me ka me to le. Ke ya hawe e ba Abola wo mele. Me yo. Ke la ke nu jile ni edo le te la gba ye do le te. Me ta we no fita ne fe ne ba makole. Eyake won kwe ni gan ajo many won say na so dada na me fe meeting na me ke to le ame to le ba me yin oda koko kwa be ni ke pete gbogbo epo egbe si te be se ba po egbe si won wi don no to kan gatetera ke mo ni mi se pe fe na ka nu sise mo no ka si yin yo mo ni se pe wi na me ka me nu sise na me jo se pe ye me no ka si yin Wakaja asani won ta tonjole ina bo ni nye ya le me papa le yo me na ewu ese won ko ete wan le ya ke yu anukwale ne sani sana le gbomo gboyo no wo fi o Abola bi ne ko ojogba mu yemi mo ko ojogba mo ko wa ko ojogba no na fi o na pa ne ko me fi ma ban wa ya wo yin ta no manya bra yin yo me yu ado
Yo, I'm going to go Go!